Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some very simple project that you can use for your school AI projects, which is based on artificial intelligence. So this is the simple application. If you want to know how you can download this, you can go through my previous video. You can watch it and you can see how you can download it on your mobile phone, that is PictoBlox, and also on your laptops. So the very first step is we will going to open this application. Even you can use this application online by going into the website, that is pictoblox.ai. So this is one of the application which is similar to Scratch, but it has many extensions which is based on artificial intelligence. So the very first step, we will going to delete the Toby. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are new into my channel, do subscribe. So I have deleted the Toby sprite. And next I'm going to add a new sprite by the name spacecraft or spaceship. By going into the add sprite option, we will going to choose our spaceship. You can choose a different sprite, whichever you want. So I'm going to search for rocket ship. Okay, so rocket ship I have added. The size is huge right now, so I'm going to change the size to 60. Yeah, now it is perfect. Okay, now I'm going to place it at the center. Now next very important step is we will going to go to the add extension option, and from there I'm going to add the extension. So here you will see so many extensions are there related to artificial intelligence. So from here I'm going to choose today human body detection. Hold your horses means you have to wait for few seconds. Once your codes will get ready, it will going to disappear from here. So yes, your red color are the codes for your human pose detections. So the very first step is we're going to take the event, that is flag event. You can choose different event as per your choice. So I'm going to place it on the script area. Next I'm going to turn on my video camera. So here I'm going to choose this block. I hope it is clear to everyone. All codes are visible to everyone. Okay, now next I'm going to choose the forever, so that my code will going to run in a continuous manner and it will not going to stop. So forever I have added. Next again I'll go to hand human body, and then from here I'm going to choose the analyze image option, and I'm going to put it inside the forever block. Yes, now it's done. Perfect. Now I'm going to choose the if condition from control, where I'm going to put the condition that if hand is detected, then only whatever I have added inside the if, then it will going to happen. So if hand is detected, this is the code. If is hand detected, what will going to happen? Next code I'm going to put here. I'm going to change the exposition of my sprite. Exposition, everybody know it is from left to right. So once the hand is detected, it will going to change the exposition of my sprite, that is from left to right. So in place of -6, I'm going to put the position of my index finger. So this block I'm going to add it here. Yes, and in place of top of thumb, I'm going to add the top of index finger. So the camera will going to identify the index finger, and according to index finger your sprite will going to move. Okay, so the code is completed now. The code is very easy, and if you face any difficulty in understanding the code, please do comment below. I'll definitely respond to it. So now I'll make it full screen, and I'll show you how this project will work. So I'm going to run my project by clicking on the flag event. Now when you can see on my screen, when I'll move my hand, the sprite is also moving as per my index finger. So this is how your project will work. Okay, so soon I'm going to make some more interesting projects on AI. So do subscribe to my channel. And yes, this is one of the trending projects which you can use in your school, and even you can show it to your teachers. And if you are a teacher, then you can show this project to your students as well. So at last, bye bye to everyone. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.